I buy a Saxon because I think it's completely different. I know I tried it the first time. I sold my other bike and I buy a Saxon immediately because it's completely different in driving, in sensation, in custom, in look, in all the way that a man chooses a motorbike.
It's like a bike, like a bicycle, you know. So it's very easy. I thought at the beginning that it wouldn't be, but it turns out it is. So even between the cars in the city, it's like it's cool. So
we know how many customers will buy a regular motorcycle and they want to customize it. They spend a lot of money to get many times a bad result in the shape of the motorcycle or in the technical result. And so now we can buy a complete custom motorcycle ready to ride. And I think many people dreams about this product, and now they can concrete the dream just buying a motorcycle from us.
Quelque chose d'exclusif, de vraiment exclusif et être le roi du monde sur sa moto, quoi. C'est une moto qui colle bien, on se sent bien. Personnellement, quand je la prends, c'est un vrai plaisir de tous les jours et du moment. Voilà, ça reste. Alors pour le graphisme, je trouve ça c'est magique. On a l'impression que ça vient en nous, ça fait partie de nous. Voilà.
look different, you are different, and you feel like it, and you live through that. So that's why I love this bike.